Hey guys, it's Davita here with WTI, and I just got a new phone, which means I needed a new case. I have loved this case so far, considering I've already dropped my phone and my phone is still okay. This is the SUBESKING iPhone 11 Pro Max floral case, and as you can see, the flowers are so beautiful. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it's also super functional. If you're wondering about the flowers, they are slightly raised, like you can feel them. They're almost like textured, I would say, in a way, which just gives it a really, really cool effect. I like also that the buttons on the side are red, so they stand out. And your lenses for your camera are completely protected. It has a really, really nice raised bumper over all of the lenses here, so you don't have to worry about that. Like I said, I've already dropped my phone, so that's a good test in itself that the cover is good and my phone is still okay. So I am super happy with this case overall. I like that it's flexible yet still very durable material, and I'm super happy with it. And that is my point of view.